Welcome to BTech Ninja, your journey from novice to ninja in tech. This is the fourth installment of my series on question and answer segment based on different technologies. Today I will be covering 10 questions on the part 3 of Salesforce administration. I will also be sharing some pro tips around those questions, so please stay tuned till end if you don't wish to miss anything. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel to BTech Ninja in your tech journey. What is the purpose of the Schema Builder in Salesforce? The Schema Builder is a visual tool in Salesforce that allows administrators to define and modify the data model through a graphical interface. A pro tip to get an edge over other candidates. Discuss how Schema Builder simplifies the process of designing and understanding the relationships between objects, providing a visual representation of the data architecture. Subscribe to my channel for more such pro tips. Let's move on to the next question. How does field-level security contribute to data security in Salesforce? Field-level security restricts user access to specific fields, adding an extra layer of data security by controlling which users can view or edit particular fields on an object. A pro tip to stand out in the interview. Emphasize the role of field-level security in fine-tuning data access permissions, ensuring sensitive information is only accessible to authorized users. If you want a practical example from me, then please comment down below. Moving on the next question in the list, explain the purpose of validation rules in Salesforce. Validation rules ensure data accuracy by enforcing specific criteria on data entry. They prevent users from saving records that do not meet defined validation criteria. This is what you can do: score some extra points during the interview. Share examples of how validation rules can be used to maintain data quality and prevent errors in record creation. I hope you will remember this tip. Let's see the next question. What is a lightning page in Salesforce? A lightning page is a customizable, app-specific page in the Salesforce Lightning experience, allowing administrators to create tailored user experiences with components like charts, lists, and forms. Do this to grab the interviewer's attention. Highlight the flexibility of Lightning pages in optimizing user workflows and enhancing productivity by presenting relevant information in a visually appealing manner. Let's move on to the next question. How can you enforce data consistency across records in Salesforce? Data consistency can be enforced through record types, which define specific sets of picklist values, page layouts, and business processes for different types of records within an object. Here is a bonus tip for you. Discuss scenarios where enforcing data consistency through record types contributes to standardized data entry and reporting. I hope you are getting along well with this video. If you have suggestions, then please drop a comment down below. The next question is, how does the Process Builder differ from workflow rules in Salesforce? The Process Builder and workflow rules are both tools for automating processes, but the Process Builder is more robust and can handle more complex scenarios. It allows you to create flows with multiple criteria and actions, providing a visual representation of your processes. Follow this tip to score brownie point during the interview. Highlight the flexibility of the Process Builder in handling intricate business processes and discuss situations where choosing Process Builder over workflow rules is beneficial. Subscribe to my channel if you want to become pro with Salesforce administration. Let's move on to the next question. Explain the difference between a public group and a queue in Salesforce. A public group is a collection of individual users, while a queue is a group of users who can own records collectively. Public groups are used for collaboration and sharing, while queues are often used for distributing work items. A quick tip to ace the interview. Discuss use cases for public groups in sharing and collaboration, and elaborate on how queues streamline workload distribution and ownership. Let's move on to the next question. What is the purpose of the data category in Salesforce Knowledge? Data categories in Salesforce Knowledge provide a way to classify and organize articles, making it easier for users to find relevant information. Follow this tip to make an impact on the interviewer. Share examples of how data categories enhance the effectiveness of knowledge management by categorizing articles based on topics or themes. We are getting closer to the end of this video. I hope you are getting some helpful insights here. Comment down below your thoughts. Let's see what do we have as the next question. How can you track changes to records in Salesforce? Field history tracking in Salesforce allows administrators to track changes to specified fields on an object, maintaining a historical record of modifications. I bet if you apply this tip, your chances of moving into the next round of the interview will increase. Discuss the importance of field history tracking in auditing and compliance, providing transparency into who changed what and when. Finally, we are here. Let's see what's our next question. What is the significance of the View All Data permission in Salesforce? The View All Data permission grants unrestricted access to view all records in the Salesforce org, bypassing the record-level security settings. Save this pro tip. It will serve as the cherry on the top with regards to this question. Caution on the use of View All Data due to potential privacy and security risks, emphasizing the need to grant this permission judiciously based on specific user roles and responsibilities. This was it from my 10 questions and answers series on Salesforce administration. I picked up some random questions and tried answering them. Do let me know which part you liked most. Is there anything that I missed? Comment below if you have any requests and suggestions. Thank you for your time today. Subscribe now to Be Tech Ninja with me.